The makeup looks so much better in this light. I should start doing my makeup in here. I can't even tell you how many times I've recorded this intro. I'm back! Hey y'all, it's your girl Danielle and welcome back. Of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon so you have your notifications set to on. Then you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. So excited because if you haven't watched my vanity tour, you definitely need to go back and watch my vanity tour, but I have so much makeup that I never use, and lots of people were like, hey, why don't you do more makeup looks or show me how to use that palette that you have. Somebody said they wanted to see me use my pizza palette, and so I didn't actually create this look using the pizza palette. But I wanted to do something very simple that anybody could do. I am going to bring you some more complex makeups, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So yeah, I've been recording a lot of content for you guys, and I'm really excited for you to see it, and I hope you like it. So tonight, I wanted to do a really simple look that lots of people can do with different colors. I know not everybody is going to have the exact products that I used, but I will list all the products in the description box below, so if you want to know what I used, you can definitely go purchase those products. So I wanted to do an all purple inspired look with some purple highlighter, which I really love because I never got a chance to use it. So now I did. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this look, and if you want to see how I achieved it and maybe want to try something out yourself, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and slap that right underneath our eyes to get rid of all the baggage that we've been carrying around. Then we're just going to blend that out nicely with our damp beauty blender. Then we're going to take a concealer that I like. It is a TRÈStique stick concealer, and I just like to cover up all my red dots on my face so they don't show up red through my foundation. Alright, foundation time. Now we're gonna just splotch this shit all over our face and hope that it looks good, and God, that's not my color. Who told me this was my color? Oh, and I think this is when I realized, oh, Danielle, this is making you look really white. This is not your color. So then I proceeded to put some darker foundation on my face, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, it's blending nicely, looks good, and then boom. Then I'm like, oh, Danielle, oh, that's too much. Oh, girl, stop, what are you doing? Look, I am not happy. I'm like, okay, we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it work. And then, oh, I looked down, and I realized I didn't put my fucking primer on. So, on to the next damn step. So I've realized that I should use a cream contour instead of a powder contour because the powder contour picks up the blemishes on my skin. And when you use a cream contour, it's going to blend nicely into your foundation. So I've started using this NYX Wonderstick just to contour my nose and my cheeks. Then we're going to blend that out again with the Damp Beauty Blender. I need a little bit more contour, so we are going to go in with my Tarte contour. And we are going to contour my forehead. So now we're going to go in with our Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes and then the below my contour to kind of give it that kind of highlight. Now, a lot of bitches like to bake their face while they do their whole makeup. That's not me. I feel like it really gets set into my lines, and I really just want the finishing powder to make sure that my foundation doesn't move. All right, now we start on the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics palette, and we're gonna dip right into this purple shade. I don't know what the fuck the shade name is. That's pretty purple, isn't it? And I'm using, honestly, guys, listen, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not an influencer. I don't fucking know what brush this is. I just know it's a fluffy brush that I use to blend out my shadow and my crease. That's all I know. So, tips for you for blending shadow, get a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to dip into my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette and use some of that purple jelly color. It's a little darker and it's also shimmery than the color that I just used. Then we're gonna dip into Juvia's Place and get us a nice darker shade to put in there. And I know in my picture it looks like this is all one purple color, but it's not. So now we're gonna use a dark Too Faced. Oh yeah, you ever wonder how to itch your face? When you have foundation on, this is how you itch your face. So now we're gonna go in with a dark color for the lid, give it some dimension. And then we're just gonna kinda, I feel like I overextended a little bit, so I want to take just a little concealer to pull that shadow in a little bit, and then if it goes in too much, you just take the brush and blend it back out. So it's really about trial and error. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing it. All right, what do we got next? We're gonna go in with a tiny brush, and this is something that I normally don't do, but I tried it for the first time because my eyes were looking so naked, and I was like, I don't wear lashes, and I know people are gonna be like, you need to wear, I don't wear lashes. Look, it's too hard, my eyes are too small, I don't wear lashes. So I normally do not put eyeshadow underneath my eye because I feel like it makes my eye look so much smaller. But I tried it today, and I really liked it. I feel like it definitely minimizes the appearance of the bags underneath my eyes, or the wrinkles, if you will. So I went ahead and put that light shadow that I used on the inner part of my eye. I used that to just smudge out underneath my eye. Now we are going to take the infamous Peachy Queen Clueless palette, and I am going to use one of the glitters from this palette, which, by the way, I underestimated. I put that shit on my lid. I was like, whoa, this is way too much glitter. Oh, good. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Then it fell all over my face. Really, you're supposed to use glitter with glitter glue, but I never use glitter eyeshadow, so I was just testing it out. So yeah, that's what you get. Mascara. Bitch, your lash extensions could never. I don't know. I'm just not a proponent of eyelash extensions. I don't like eyelash extensions. I can't wear them. They irritate my eyes. It's not for me. So I think I look just fine with some mascara, and if you don't like to wear lashes, you can't afford to get lash extensions, that's okay, girl. You just get you a real good mascara, that's all you need. Then we're gonna pop some eyeliner into this waterline. I like to use white liner and black liner, but for today's look, we're gonna go black. All right, then we're gonna get some highlighter on. Oh, I lied, that's not highlighter, that's blush. So we do blush first, then we do highlighter. So you just wanna get a little color to your cheeks, not make it look dead, make it look like you have some life. What am I looking for? Oh. Here's the highlighter, isn't it so pretty? It's like this purple highlighter. Ooh, God, look at that. But that was a little bit too much for me. So I like to go in with a bigger, fluffy brush and kind of diffuse that highlighter. It was just a little bit too much for me. All right, now this is the other places that I put highlighter. I use a different brush, a nice brow bone brush, to put that color in there up on the brow bone to highlight my brow bone. Then we're gonna put some on the nose and on the Cupid's bow. I have such a small upper lip that I feel like putting it on my Cupid's bow really helps pucker me up. Then we're gonna use my Beauty Bakerie BROWnies for the brows. I absolutely love this. I've had NYX, I've had Anastasia. This is my favorite brow gel ever. It doesn't cake up. It is my perfect color. It's waterproof. You can wear it to the beach. It doesn't come off. It's amazing. amazing, and I highly recommend it. Alright sis, once you get your brows snatched, we only got one more thing to do, and that is our lips. So some of my favorite lipstick to use is this NYX Liquid Suede. I feel like it goes on really nice, it doesn't dry out, it stays in place for the most part, but it is a very, very nice lipstick. Okay, so I put this purple lipstick on and I was like, this is kind of dark, this does not match my eyeshadow. So I tried to put a lighter one over it and it's still not matching. And I'm like, oh, this is not my color. So let's go find what else I have. Because you're definitely not matching the eyeshadow. So I picked out another NYX cream lipstick. And that kind of worked a little better. So those were the three I used. And again, I'll list all the products down below. So yeah, if you want them, you can get them. I felt like popping a little more highlighter on, just give it a little more oomph. And I think this is the completed look. How cute. And then I went and curled my hair, so yeah. This is my fall Scorpio color kind of makeup. I really love it. Purple is definitely a Scorpio color. It's definitely a fall color. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I did not enjoy making it. It was really hard, actually. There's a lot of steps that came into it. Yes! Like, let me just vogue real quick. I just want to swoon over this highlight. Like, oh my god, this highlighter is like the bomb. You need this highlighter. So that's it for this tutorial, you guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please, 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 please subscribe. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize my videos, and I feel like it's never gonna come. So if you could please subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm doing a Jeffree Star makeup giveaway with some other stuff in it when I reach 500 followers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Later. Love ya.